Hello future engineers and future mathematicians. Here is another video in hydraulics, particularly on fluid pressure on plane surfaces or fluid force on plane surfaces. Before anything else, I would like to suggest that for effective and so that you will have to train your brains in understanding the concepts and understanding the solutions presented here. I want you to either mute the video so that you will also think of the solution and you cannot hear my explanations. And another way is you have to fast forward the video until the, before the end. So just a second before the end of the video. And you just read the solution by your own silently so that when the equation is formulated or aside from the equation, an established formula is formulated, you have to think, and and that's an effective way of studying the solution to the problems. And for those who are really intelligent ones, my suggestion is you have to just pause the video until the entire problem and including the figure. If the figure is provided, you have to pause the video at that end. Then for effective practice, you have to solve the problem and compare your answers with the answers presented here. For those who cannot uh, fully understand, or for those who need to really listen to my explanations and the solutions, then I have nothing to do except to watch and follow the solutions, listen to the explanations. But as I said, the effective way of studying concepts would be to solve the problem after the entire problem is stated and without looking at the solutions, then solve the problem. So a vertical right angled plate ABC shown is in contact with a liquid of specific weight gamma on one side. Derive expressions for F, moment, hydrostatic force F, the moment about the moment of this force about axis AB and the moment of the force about axis AC. Indicate direction or sense of each and solve by integration. So this is the given figure, and we have here the centroid of this vertical triangular plate. Of course, this is 1/3 of B and this is 1/3 of H. This is the liquid surface which is in contact with the, or which is flush with the upper edge of the plate. So we have here the set capital Y axis and the X axis. This is the positive X direction, positive Y direction, based on the derivation of the formulas for E sub HP and E sub VP. This is the these are the centroidal axis, by the way. So that's H over 3, this is B over 3, and of course the distance, vertical distance between the centroid and center of pressure is E sub VP, while the horizontal distance is E sub VPH. So if the value of E sub VPH is positive, it means this is correct because it is the first quadrant supposedly is in this area, this portion of the region here. If it is negative, E sub VPH is negative, then it is here. Or E sub PH is, or E sub HP rather, is here on that, uh, in the negative X direction. So using the 3D view for the alternate solution, because we are going to solve this by integration. This is the strip, horizontal strip. So you may imagine a horizontal strip here, and every element of the strip is equidistant from the liquid surface. Therefore, the pressure is uniform at P. And remember, pressure is specific weight times the vertical distance. In this case, I denoted the vertical distance as y. So dF is pressure times dA. So pressure at this level is equal to specific weight of liquid times depth, which is y, and the differential area is x times dy. So integral from 0 to h of gamma times y, that's the pressure at this level, then the differential area is x dy. So from the figure, this distance is small h minus big Y. So by similar triangles, big H as to small h minus big Y equals B as to h. So x as to h minus capital Y is B as to h. So that means x is B over h times quantity h minus big Y. Substitute into this formula or equation, gamma integral 0 to h of y, then x is b over h quantity h minus big Y and dy. So this is constant. You can put it before the integral sign. Then we can now integrate. Integral of h y is hy squared over 2. Then integral of negative y squared is negative y cubed over 3. So f is gamma b over h, hy squared over 2 minus y cubed over 3 from 0 to h. So substitute f is gamma b over h quantity h cubed over 2 minus h cubed over 3, then minus the lower limits of 0. Finally, we can now solve for f, and it is equal to gamma bh squared over 6. For moment about AB, which is this, so by integration, it is integral of differential force, and the moment arm is y. So differential moment about AB is, if we apply right thumb rule, so this is AB. So supposedly the right thumb is in that direction, and since this is the positive x-axis, it is negative because our right thumb is positioning in that direction. When we curl our forefingers about AB, just like that, then our right thumb will be positioning in that direction, and this is the positive x direction. That's why it's negative. So MAB therefore is negative DF, and DF is, we just copy this, then we multiply it by y. So copy gamma y quantity b over h minus y, then dy, that's differential f, then times moment arm y. So MAB equals negative gamma b over hy square, the integral is hy cube over 3. Take note, this is h, there are two y's here. So hy square, if you distribute the y square, hy square, so the integral is hy cube over 3. Then minus y cubed, the integral is y to the fourth over 4, 0 to h. So substituting, MAB is negative gamma b over h, quantity h to the fourth over 3 minus h to the fourth over 4, then lower limit 0. So simplifying, that is supposedly negative bh cubed over 12, and we make it positive because the sense of moment would be in that sense. Our right thumb is directed along AB in that direction. So since this is the positive direction of moment about AB. Then for MAC, so this is AC, so it is also, if you follow right thumb rule, this is the positive y-axis, and this is AC, so the moment is in that direction, so our right thumb is positioning in that direction, so it is also negative. So negative differential moment AC is dF times moment arm. This is x over 2. Because this is rectangular, the pressure diagram is rectangular. Of course, the centroid of the rectangle is at x over 2. So the moment arm of dF is x over 2. So substituting, MAC is negative 1/2. Copy differential force, which is this, and times x, which is also this. This is over 2. So that would be negative gamma b square over 2h square, then integral from 0 to h of y. Then we'll have here h square minus 2hy plus y square dy. So distribute y, MAC equals negative gamma b square over 2h square, then quantity h square y square over 2 minus 2h y cube over 3, then plus y cube over 3 from y cube of y to the fourth over 4, because this is y cube, integral is y to the fourth over 4, 0 to h. So substituting, MAC is equal to negative gamma b square over 2h square, h to the fourth over 2 minus 2 thirds h to the fourth plus h to the fourth over 4 minus 0. Simplifying using your calculator, and that is equal to negative gamma b square h square over 24. Let's make this positive, and the sense is our right thumb will be positioning in that direction. So MAC is gamma bh cubed over 24 in that sense. So our right thumb will be pointing in that direction. So to generalize the effect of these moments and the sense, if this is F, so the moment about AB would be in that sense, and our right thumb will be pointing in that direction. Then for MAC, in that sense, our right thumb will be positioning in that direction CA. So that's it for this video.